Welcome back to Shalom Meadows. Hey, remember I said I see it coming? Well, it's Monday. I'm glad to see y'all back. This here is where we are flipping this rundown building, trailer, office building, whatever you want to call it, from the 1960s, 70s into our home. Hey, we see y'all over on TikTok too, so y'all following over there? Hey, if you're not following, follow over there. But come on over here and subscribe. Hey, help us out a lot. Drop that like. Hey, click that notification bell so you'll know when the videos are coming out. But tonight, it might be a little short, it might be a little short one. But we're gonna continue with the ceiling. And I know you're probably thinking, oh my gosh, would you stop daggum doing the same kind of videos? Well, we gotta get stuff done. I mean, you know what I'm saying? Just gotta go step one. But we the window, I don't know if we told y'all, but it was still leaking a little bit, and it did rain, of course. Hey, we don't live in the rainforest, but sometimes it feels like we're in one. But thank the Lord for the rain. Let me say that, though. Ow. Oh, man. But we just checked, and it wasn't leaking. So it hasn't rained too hard, I don't think, or enough. But hopefully it still continues not to leak. But like I was saying, I got to get back up here. Got to sand this down, and I don't have no hut chewy guard. You know, so like my wife said, we do have masks, but I don't trust those things. And she didn't bring her head covering today, so I can't cover my face covering. You know, I should be covering my face all the time, you know what I mean? But what I'm saying is, I gotta get up here, I gotta sand this down, I gotta sand the other one down, then redo it, and then I have to do all these, what you might have seen in the previous video, of what, you know, I was doing. You know, I had to flip the one around and put it up, make sure it fit and all this, that, and other. I have to tape it and mud it, and then of course the next time I come, sand it, mud it, sand it, and then we'll do other stuff, you know, the trim, the paint. I have to sand the nails that, you know, I done. And like I said, hey, don't forget to subscribe. You guys over there, come on over and subscribe. Hope y'all enjoy the video. Thumbs up on both sides. Yeah, yeah.
So I got my pants all hyped up all the way up here, so when I'm going like this, y'all won't see it, okay? I do apologize if you have seen my belly in previous videos.
I know most of y'all don't want to hear this. And hey, I didn't want to hear it most of my life, and I still don't. It's when you make a mistake first. Sometimes, a lot of times. And then you finally decide, hey, well, maybe I need to try it this way. Not me. My wife, hey. She wanted me to try it that way. So I listened to her, and I did it. And hey, you heard her. Oh, it's way better than what we've done before. Hey. Ah, darn it.
What?
Yeah, I'm doing it because you asked me to.
It's so nice of you.
how-to of how to mess things up, you got your guy. But hey, like I said a while ago, a lot of times you don't want it to, especially growing up with a big family. You make a lot of mistakes, even when it comes to doing stuff in your home. And yeah, when you find moving here, you're going to see them and be like, oh my gosh, I did that. It sucks. But eventually, you get okay. You get decent. I'm not calling myself a professional, but I'm calling myself an amateur, as some people say. I say amateur, not a beginner. I say amateur. How many times I've mudded, I should know how to do this in my daggone sleep. But I don't like it. Okay, so. Do I love to have a home? Yes. Do I love muddy? Heck to the no. Tell you this old joke that I've known most of my life. I wish I was a median. But as you can hear all the vehicles going through here, I don't want to be ran over. Oh gosh! We got to put the lights up in a couple weeks. You know what that means? Something else old Papa Bear's not good at. But guess what? It'll get done. It will get done.
You could have made a whole piece for that. You could have. Holy moly.
You still made a whole piece for
I'm
that.
serious.
Holy moly.
What the heck is that, man? Anywho, your finger thing that you just did is not accurate. You did this. You said, and then you got a piece that there.
Hey, as y'all can see, I'm a professional at measurements. Let's get one this side. This is not a Dash Jokes channel. That's that mess by here. Let me see. Yeah, about to be right here. It knocked me out. There it comes. Oh no.
Isn't it always?
Alright y'all, like I was saying, that was going to be a short video today. I do apologize for that. But stick around and we got another video coming out Wednesday. And y'all have to come and see what we're doing. Of course, as you know, as soon as you start watching the video, we'll tell you right off the bat. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and click that notification bell. And don't forget to, hey, go over and check out @Shalom Meadows on TikTok. Help us out. Give us thumbs up. Click that notification bell so you know what the videos are. Shalom, y'all.